Good morning, students. Welcome to you all to this class. Today, I am going to talk to you about report writing. I would like to discuss what is a report, what a good report should contain, types of report, particularly status report, and what is the format of status report. And finally, I would like to discuss one example of status report. Let me begin. What is a report? A report is a presentation of facts and information rather than discussion of various opinions. So, a good report must contain facts. We must not express our opinions. And secondly, it ends with recommendations and conclusions. Second point, I would like to discuss what a good report should contain. It must contain, number one, clarity of thoughts. Second one, it must contain facts. Thirdly, it must be impersonal. Fourth point, it must written in formal style. Now, third point is types of reports. Generally speaking, there are many kinds of reports like executive report, incident reports, committee reports, research reports, etc. But let us not discuss those reports now. In this semester, they have prescribed three types of reports. Number one, event report. Number two, status report. Number three, work done report, or we can also say survey report. Now, in this particular video class, I would like to talk to you about status report. What is meant by status report? Status report is also known as progress report. Next, I would like to tell you the format of status report. There are 6 points which you need to observe. Number one, title. Number two, terms of reference. Number three, work completed to date. Number four, work in progress. Number five, work yet to be completed. Number six, anticipated problems. So you have to remember this format. Next, I would like to give one example of status report. You just observe the screen. You are the chief engineer of the Abhi Construction Private Limited. You have been entrusted to construct the 3 towers of the Kushal Developers South India Private Limited in Jayanagar, Bangalore. Write a status report to the chief manager, Kushal Developers. Dear students, you can easily observe the screen. You can see the example. After reading the example, first you have to start the report like this. You have to write the address first. See, like to the chief marketing manager, Kusha Developers South India Private Limited, Bangalore. Next, after writing the address, I have already given what is the format of status report. First, we must begin with the title. The title is Status of Construction of 3 Towers in Jayanagar, Bangalore. Students, here you have to remember, as they have given 3 towers, you have written 3 towers. In the question, if they give uh, construction of PZ block or construction of library building or construction of road or construction of road, you can write, see, status of construction of, instead of 3 towers, if they give PZ block, you have to write status of construction of PZ block or status of construction of library. So in such and such place, and you have to write those details in the title. So you have to begin to write the status report with the title. Now second point is terms of reference. Students, you have to remember, in terms of reference you have to mention which company entered into contract with another company, when they are going to start the work, and when they are going to finish the work, all, and what is the estimation. All these details you have to mention in terms of reference. So let us observe that, see, the Kusha Developers South India Private Limited has made into contract with the Abhi Construction Private Limited regarding the construction of 3 towers, approximately 250 luxury flats, and in Jayanagar, Bangalore, with the cost of 130 crores. The work will be started in January 5th, 2019, and it will be completed in August 2020. Next point is work completed to date. So, in work completed to date, you have to mention how many jobs did they finish. You have to mention those details. See, number 1, survey and planning completed on March 15th. Second one, the foundation work started on 20th March. Third one, pillar work and construction of walls completed. So these are the work the completed to date. Next, let us go to the next point, work in progress. That means what is the work going on? You have to write it in work in progress. See, work in progress, number 1, plastering and laying concrete, and laying concrete. Second one, laying of tiles, plumbing, bathroom fittings. Thirdly, fixing of window frames and the doors. And fourth one, drainage and electric works are going on. So these are the works that is in progress. Next point, let us see work yet to be completed. So in work yet to be completed, so how many jobs are pending? We have to write in work yet to be completed. So the landscape with a swimming pool, gym and gardening yet to be completed. So these are the pending works that the construction company must complete the work. Last one is anticipated problems. So if the construction is going on, whenever there is a lorry strike or whenever there is a heavy rain, you may face the problems. So I'll read. During the construction, the problems have arose due to lorry strike. Supply of steel and sand were delayed, but we will surely complete the work within the time by employing more and more laborers. And my dear students, after writing anticipated problems, left side you have to write the name and also designation. See, the designation is chief engineer, and you have to mention the date. So this is the example of status report, which is very important for this semester. I will just once again repeat the format. First, after giving the question, you have to start the report by writing the title. Second one, you have to write terms of reference. Third one, work completed to date. Fourth one, work in progress. Fifth one, work yet to be completed. And last one, anticipated problems. Hope you might have understood you have